Thinking about buying or selling your home on your own? I know you can do it, but today I'm sharing why you probably shouldn't. My name is Andrew Tahanchuk with Cornerstone Home Lending, and let's talk about 5 reasons why you should use an agent when buying or selling your home. Number 1, they have lots of expertise. Want to check the MLS for a 4B, 2B with an EIK and a WD? If I just lost you, don't worry. Real estate is basically like its own little language with acronyms, jargons, abbreviations. Realtors are trained to know all the terms. Selling a home usually requires dozens of forms, reports, disclosures, technical documents. Realtors have the expertise to help you prepare a competitive deal while avoiding delays or costly mistakes that can seriously mess you up. Number 2, they have VIP access. With real estate listing sites, you can find up-to-date homes anytime you want. But guess what? They have even more listings. And in today's market, we know that more listings is a big deal. They can see listings that are available but not advertised and help you find those hidden gems. They know the ins and outs of neighborhoods, up-and-coming areas, and overlooked communities. Number 3, they are skilled negotiators. This year's market has buyers and sellers dealing with multiple offers, bidding wars, and some cutthroat competition. Having a savvy, experienced negotiator on your side can help you seal the deal. An agent can not only help you with the financial side, they can help set you up on a purchase agreement that allows enough time for inspections, contingencies, and other factors that you need for a smooth process. Number 4, they've got connections. Most agents have a tight network of professionals that they can bring in to make your process smoother. Agents work with me, real estate attorneys, home inspectors, stagers, designers, and even more. They have a whole list of incredible people to help you buy or sell a home. Number 5, they are licensed. A reliable agent has studied for months, passed a hard national test, and received their license. The licensed agent knows the ins and outs of the legal and moral guidelines they need to follow for you to have a smooth process. Having a licensed agent by your side helps protect you and your family through the transaction. If you're thinking about buying or selling on your own, let's chat. I would love to talk with you about your goals, timelines, and expectations. Remember, life does not stop for you to buy a house. Life doesn't care that you're buying a house. Your job doesn't care that you're buying a house. You need that expertise that a real estate agent brings to guide you through the process. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to comment or have questions, please shoot me a message or leave something below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode. Make sure to like and share and comment below if you're ready to start your journey. I would love to connect. See you next time. Bye.